director in this company. Today, it's a very interesting event happening. For the very first time, we have been organizing various other subjects like fire safety, first aid, mock drill, emergency preparedness, life safety in high-rise building, life safety in industries, chemical safety, electrical safety. So lot of subjects have been done through this webinar exercise. For the very first time, we thought we need to also start interacting with our customers and telling our rest of the world that we are ventured into a very new vertical called security solutions and entrance automations. And this is going to be the subject of today. And we are so happy, Usha Fire in the last 30 years, it has evolved into different segments within safety, of course. We are very cautious about it. So in the recent past, the need for world on entrance automation and security products have also been increasing. And I think even during COVID times, the need for technologies world in terms of security, we all have understood, even to monitor the temperature before allowing the people into your factories, your industries, it was very essential. And all those things can be automized. All those things can be probably having different solutions with less of human efforts, more of technological efforts. And that's where we're so happy that we have partnered with one of a very interesting channel partner called MacTech. So MacTech has a huge experience handling on all these product range, security solutions to entrance automation. We have been a channel partner with them for the last 5 years plus. And to be very honest, a lot of customers have been benefited. A lot of customers have been personally benefited. And I thought this should reach to a lot more customers, and only all these solutions can reach you through such webinars. And I'm so sure that by end of this section, each one of us will be very clear what sort of solutions will be needed for your industry. And we are not trying here to promote products. We are here to give solutions. Let me be very clear. We are not trying to sell any specific product to your industry, but we are here to tell you what kind of solutions we can give you for your challenges in your industry. That's something very interesting. I think we'll be able to do full justice there. And I'm so happy that today we have the founder and the chairman of this organization, a very energetic personality. His name is Mr. Bala Murali. So we will be running this entire presentation for the next, say, about 1 or 2 hours time. So we'll decide on the time as it goes, because I know it's a webinar. Probably people might not be able to stay long, but we'll try to make it as crisp and as clear as possible. But one rule of the training here is we will not be allowing the participants to unmute. So meaning throughout the event, the audio mute will be maintained. So we have controlled, the admin has taken the complete control, but instead we'll be using the chat box. So any of your doubts, any of your questions, any of the issues, please feel free to get into the chat box and put in down your questions. And we have our technical team here. And in the end of the event, we might answer all your questions, or in case if it's too technical, we might have one-to-one conversation also. So that's possible. So we might not be able to address all the questions today, but the most important ones we will try to complete it today. So I think this is the order of the day, and I hope you're all ready and we are all set. Yes, if yes, you can use those reaction buttons to give us a little reactions. Yes, yeah, thank you. I think few people have understood what is the reaction button. There's a small reaction icons which you can interact with us. So I'm so happy to introduce our channel partner plus the trainer of the day, Mr. Bala Murali. So let me welcome Bala Murali here. So over to Bala Murali.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone is fine. So this is a day which we are joining hands with Usha Fire to launch our products in multiple segments. So being a trainer, I would like to present all our solutions, what we have produced to every client based on automobile, medical, chemical, electrical, and various government sectors. And we are into multiple product range, which will be helpful to everyone who are attending this session. So it's a great honor to be spending my time with you all. So I don't want to waste your time a lot in presentation. As Mr. Manjesh Adappa has given a brief about our company, we are the largest OEM in South India. We are manufacturing all solutions and products based on the customer needs. Our biggest advantage is we are creating solutions, not giving any products as box selling, solutions. So today is the right day. I would like to spend my time with everyone present here to just understand what is a solution or what is the hiccups faced by every industry in security and surveillance aspects. So Usha Fire is a very pioneer company in safety solutions. Yes, I've seen all their trainings and presentations. It was a very great experience to be partnered with Usha Fire. So the same experience I would like to maintain with all the clients of Usha Fire to share our solutions and our ideas to make sure that your client is also being benefited with the different products. So we'll directly rush to the presentation. What is our company and what are the products we deal with and how it can be beneficial and advantage in every angle. So this is the main protocol of today. So we would like to take some time in giving the presentation, and post presentation we'll be sharing some YouTube videos, PPTs and other pictures, animations, that how we design a solution to a client. So let's get into the presentation directly. Thank you, Leela. Yes, here is a product presentation. So Mactech Security Systems Private Limited is a company where I'm representing. So I'm being the founder of this company. We have launched a brand Mactech, and it's being pioneered and designed in India, and it's completely an Indian-based company. So we would like to share about our group of companies: Mactech Impex India, Mactech Automation India, Mactech Manpower Management, Mactech Projects, and Mactech Ventures in different verticals we are. And today we'll be discussing about the company called Mactech Security System Private Limited. Yes, the biggest thing about the product is the certification. Everybody know what is a certificate. So when you're dealing with any high-end security and safety product, you are supposed to be very clear what is a certificate and what are the accreditations has been given to the product, because these are all high-end security and surveillance solutions. First thing is the NABL, National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories. So what is that NABL? So when you're buying any electrical component or electronic product or any safety product, you should have this certificate. So when you are mentioning any items or any brands are being procured in your company, it should be NABL certificate, because they take up all the safety and environmental tests. Example, safety tests like heat, high temperature, low temperature, vibration test, dampness test. Because when a company like us, when we are issuing the warranty and guarantee to the company, yes, we are giving the solution. What is the base? Who is authorizing it? So Government of India has authorized a lab. So we conduct more than 60 plus tests and we get that certificate. So that makes you to understand what is the clear information about a product, how the warranty and other reliability is being guaranteed from the brand. Next is the CE certified, and the company for the ISO, and the interesting certificate is the AERB, Atomic Energy Regulatory Board. So Atomic Energy Regulatory Board is a very tough certificate in India to be obtained for any X-ray baggage scanner or any X-ray related items. So when you are using this certificate, it is very clear that any X-ray source used in the product like X-ray baggage scanner, portable X-ray baggage scanner, explosives and narcotic detector, it should be certified by AERB. So that is a mandatory certificate, and it takes nearly 14 to 16 months to get one certificate for one particular model. So that's one highly advantageous in this kind of solution products. Next is the BRIT and BARC. Again, one more interesting certificate, BRIT, Board of Radiation Isotope Technology, and BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. So these two certificates are again issued for X-ray baggage scanner, because when you're taking any products or any products being scanned in the X-ray baggage scanner, there might be an issue with the, for example, if it's going to be a food package. When you are using a food lunch boxes of an employee is being scanned in an X-ray baggage scanner. Certain cases or any health issues or any issues related to the food, then nobody should blame the product. So that we have got the certificate from the Food Safety Department, that is from Atomic Energy. Again, it's Atomic Energy. They will be scanning multiple food packets at least 25 to 30 times, and they will check the radiation with the radiation survey meter and will ensure that yes, it is safe and not an hazard item and it can be consumed. So those certificates are made in the X-ray baggage scanner, BRIT and BARC. So these are all the products we have segregated into different verticals. One is the entrance automation system, another is the advanced road safety systems. Entrance automation systems. Yes. Why MacTech? Yes, we are original equipment manufacturer. As already discussed, we are certified in many segments and we have a 24/7 customer support. We have a toll-free support, and you know pretty well we are channel partners of Usha Fair and they are well known for their service and the backend support. So we are present in Pan India in 12 locations and we have the largest warehouse with ready stocks. We always do customization. So many brands in this market do not offer any customization. Yes, we are the only brand who give all the customization. And we have done many government projects. This is a range of access integration. What is access integration? So when you're talking about the attendance system, generally people will go with before 10 years. See, the system of attendance would be like, it will be marked in a note or in a manual way. So you'll be writing every day the employee name, their employee ID, that is replaced with the in-out time, it will be written in a note. Then it is slowly replaced with the RFID card, radio frequency card. Then it is slowly replaced with your biometric fingers. Everybody uses their biometric fingers for attendance, also with the access. Now it is slowly replaced with furthermore technology called facial recognition. Yes, there are multiple brands available with the facial recognition. But still, when you talk about facial recognition, it is a typical way how the nodes of the face are being connected, and it captures the entire face and it matches the face with the artificial intelligence software which is already being provided, and it clarifies and it allows the facial. So that is why facial recognition is now becoming very intrusion in the market. And second thing is due to COVID-19, yes, we have suffered a lot in the expansion of the viral. So we would like to avoid the contacts. So we are going with the non-contact facial thing. So facial recognition has become another thing, and QR code technology and barcode technology, these all technology can be integrated with our devices. So that is one advantage of the access integration. Now coming to the interesting product called swing barriers. Yes, you can see this product swing barrier in many places. Generally, we see all these things in metro rail. Yes. When we show our card, when we get some access, we go. The same product we are implementing in all the companies, from the basic attendance system being integrated with this swing barriers, and the same swing barrier can be used for access as well as the attendance. So this is becoming a latest, and how a CCTV was becoming a mandatory product once. Now the same product has been becoming like a mandatory in entrance automation. So this can be customized with the passageway, and you can see this is a dual lane. So what is a dual lane? So it has a two part, and people can go in the two directions. It is a bi-direction. Same person can go, same person can come in the exit. So it is being combined with three combinations of colors: green, blue, and red. So blue will be the standby access mode. So it will be always in the standby color, and green will be in the when you are accessing, and the intrusion will be in the red color. So 45 persons per minute can easily pass through when they are using RFID, and 30 persons per minute can go through a fingerprint, and 25 persons per minute people can go through a face recognition. So we'll play some video what is exactly a swing barrier. Yeah. Yes, you can see this video. This product has been installed in Ramoji Film City, Hyderabad. You can see every employee is being scanned with an RFID card. They scan it and they move through the access systems of the swing barrier. You can see when the access is being punched, it becomes a green color. You can see they are using the RFID card and scanning they are using to entry and exit. Doing the reviews. The same swing barrier has been installed in the outside of a government park, famous park in Hyderabad, KBR National Park. So this technology of swing barriers is now implemented with the facial recognition system. Yes, an employee just comes through it. He just uses his face as the recognition system and he comes. You can see, he shows his face and he comes. Yes, exactly. Yes. So this is another technology used: face, mask, temperature, and attendance. So when a person is showing his face, it will first recognize the face is registered, then it verifies whether he is wearing the mask, then it verifies whether his temperature is less than the par value, then it allows. So this is one kind of a technology in facial recognition system. And we are the first company in India to launch the same technology with thermal imaging camera. So many brands in the market has all the infrared technology. You have seen all these handheld thermometer. So the same technology they are using in face, and we are the first company to do an R&D work with our Indian people, and we have done it successfully with Indian faces first of all. So it is being done with thermal imaging. So what is the advantage of facial recognition system when you are using with the thermal imaging? Thermal imaging is clear that it does not have any substantial hindrance when you are using it in the outside temperature. When you are using it in the outside temperature, yes, there might be a possible of high temperature, or sometimes if it is a room installed in a room, there might be a room temperature affecting, AC temperature might be affecting. So it might show a difference in the readings. So to avoid that, we are using a thermal imaging camera. You can see that top of the face recognition system, there is a thermal imaging camera that captures your face and connects the thermal images and then takes the entire output. So we'll play some more videos in the swing barriers. You can see that. Yes, his face is being registered, temperature is being registered, and mask is being checked. Then it opens. Yes, it's fixed in an internal part. So it's a reception area of a corporate company. We have installed the swing barrier, and he is passing through the motion sensor, touchless motion sensor. Some of the videos. We have conducted a testing, and you can see this is a swing barrier. Yes, exactly. The last lane you can see, that is a P-type gate that is used for physically challenged. It is called as physically challenged gate. So it has a width of around 1 meter, 1000 mm. So any physically challenged people can definitely use a gate for the same access. So we get into the another product called the flap barriers. The same swing barrier, which is being inbuilt as a flap barrier. What is the difference between the swing and flap barrier? Yes, the flap goes inside, it's called as a flap barrier, and the body width is a little bit higher in 300 mm width. It also has the color combination, but not like 3 color combination like swing barrier. So it's a basic version for a flap barrier. The same technology is used here. You can see every employee is using their face. They're coming inside. Yes. It is also used in outdoor. It is IP rated. Repeat. Thank you. Now we move on to the next product. Next product. Yes. Tripod turnstile. It is something like a typical mechanism. The same swing barrier is used with a tripod turnstile when you are having an Eco series. The Eco Series product is termed as tripod turnstile. So the same swing bar will be looking very aesthetic and will be very professional. And tripod turnstile is very little bit rigid and rugged. Can be used in any areas where you are using your contract staffs and contract employees. And if it is in a factory area, yes, you can recommend this. I'll show you some videos about the tripod turnstiles. Yes, this is an advanced tripod turnstile mechanism. We'll play some videos in the install in site. Yes, it's a beautiful site called Flextronics, where we have installed the same tripod turnstile. It is being integrated with the ESD, electrostatic discharge concept combo tester. You can see. This is a typical concept. When you are using an ESD shoes, it should be less than the power value of ohms. Then it allows you to access. So this is another technology we have implemented in many corporate sectors, in automobile sectors. You can do any sort of customization in all these products, tripod turnstile, swing barrier, flap barrier. You can do any color combinations based on your aesthetics. We'll show you some videos about how we are providing solution to the client with our engineering team. We have our engineering and animation team. So when we take up a site, we take the raw pictures of the client and we create some designs to prove to the management, yes, we want to go for this product. Then the quotation for the commercial offer secondary. Primary thing is we analyze what is the requirement of the client. We'll show you some pictures about how the design has been done by the engineering team. So a client wanted to have a boom barrier in their premises with an ANPR camera. So instead of providing a commercial offer, first we made them to understand how a boom barrier will be installed, how it will be like an animated video. And we are having one more video about that. It's a typical location where a customer was hiring a container and they wanted to create an entrance pathway as a reception. So it's a 40 feet container where we are going to install the swing barriers and tripod turnstiles with the facial recognition system. So this is being an animated design. Can we show all the animation pictures which is designed for the client? So this is another design. We have designed it for Indian Navy. So they wanted to go for an under-vehicle surveillance system. Yes, exactly. This is how the design we do it for the clients. Before they procure any product from us through Usha Fire, we just first show them the design, how the designs, how the locations of this. So in the meanwhile, the next PPT, I'll just show you what is the product about this. Then the next product, it's a full height turnstile. Yes, it's a typical product. It's used from the old age technology called as full height turnstile. So it offers the same similar mechanism to obstruct any employee or any contract staff just entering the premises. When it is a very secure premises, we can do it. So about this full height turn cell, we have completely installed in all Reserve Bank of India and Indian Navy. So entire Reserve Bank of India has our full height turn cell. We'll show some pictures and video. What is a full height turn style? Thank you. You can see this is a full height turnstile installed in Reserve Bank of India, Jammu and Kashmir. It's a highly secure place. So people wanted to have this full height turnstile. The same tripod turnstile mechanism, when it is constructed with the full height mechanism, it is called full height turnstile. We'll play another video from Reserve Bank of India, Mumbai. Yes. Exactly. This is a product where you can obstruct the employees when it is a secure premises or a confidential premises. So you want to have a full-time access and you want to give only access to the limited employees or limited departments. Yes, this is a highly recommended product. You can see some of the color combinations of the full height turnstiles. You can see these are the designs which we create for all the clients. It's a complete 3D animation we have designed for an IT company. They wanted to have this swing barrier, so we have created a design to prove it how it looks. Any other swing barrier, please? So you can see all the color combinations, swing barriers. Client side animations, please. Yeah. So this is a design we have done it for P&G, Procter and Gamble, and Madhya Pradesh. So this is a design they wanted to have it in their very closed room. It's a very confidential R&D room. So we have designed this swing barrier. We just showed them how it looks like when you are designing it. Yes. We have many animations, I think, in the group. You can just see it. The IFB Bangalore was designed by the. You can see this is a design we have done it for a bank. So they wanted to have the same swing barrier installed in their premises to control the access. Yes, this is one more design. They have done it in the another parking area. We have designed the swing barriers. You can see this is another design. Now let's move to the next product. So this is a product called boom barrier. I think everybody will be aware of this boom barrier. Now we can see in many apartments, societies, in the toll plazas, in many corporate offices, many banks, you can see this is a product boom barrier. I'll play some videos on how it looks like and why you want to go with Magtech. Yes, we are giving the latest technology of all, having the brushless DC servo motors inbuilt in the box. So the noise and vibrations will be very less. I'll show you how the design has been done in many client places. We'll play some videos. It's an automated boom barrier integrated with the UHF mechanism, ultra high frequency reader mechanism. You can see when you show the RFID sticker, automatically boom barrier opens. So it will allow only the authorized vehicle to come inside the apartment or the offices or wherever it might be. You can see a black color box is there. That is called a dual eye photo sensor cell, which is used to sense any vehicles approaching at the time of opening or closing. It will stop the arm opening and closing. So that is the function of a dual eye. So this is another typical mechanism of a boom barrier integrated with the LED signal light, which we have installed in one of the prestigious area, Northern Coalfields Limited in Madhya Pradesh. You can see UHF reader also integrated with the mechanism of the traffic signal light. So when the boom barrier completely opens, it gives an indication in green color to ensure the high-end or the trucks, containers, vessels, or any other lorries, when it is approaching, they can see the signaling in the very far distance also. Fencing barrier about that, record about this. You can see another model of boom barrier which was installed in one of the prestigious client place. This is a fencing barrier. We call it as a fencing barrier. The same boom barrier has a mechanism with a fencing arm. It's very powerful. It creates like a gate atmosphere. It acts like a gate. So the entire purpose of a gate is being solved by a boom barrier. This is a tripod sensor installed in the same client place. We are operating using an RFID card. Yes, exactly. We move on to the next product. Yeah, it's a typical product called the bollards. Many of you might not be aware of what is a bollard. It's a hydraulic bollard, a similar mechanism used in the heavy premises or heavy areas where you would like to obstruct a vehicle without even considering it. So that is a product called bollard. So we'll show you about our photographs and video how this bollard is being installed and where it is being installed. So these bollards can be customized with the different heights and diameters and thickness and also the color combinations. So we'll just rush up with a small video where we have installed in Airport Authority of India, Madurai. You can see, yes. First, it is being obstructed with the boom barrier. So when a person or any vehicle, it's being a very confidential and secure premises. So when any strong vehicle or any hazardous vehicle hits the boom barrier without any operation or any hindrance, the automatically this bollard will open. This operation can be done with the manual push button or the wireless remote control, or even somebody is hitting the boom barrier and it automatically opens with a sensor. So this is a bollard. This is called as bollard. We'll show the factory video that how we are making it. bollard 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, this is how a bollard will be there. It has a black outer casing mechanism which will be placed under the ground, routed under the ground. The heavy civil work has to be done. So this is our factory in Chennai. Another video, bollards 2. You can see this is a typical physical view of a bollard. One of the extensive and unique product of Magtech. Okay, thank you. Next product. So this is a tire killer and road blocker similar to a boom barrier, the expensive product. The next product would be like door frame metal detector. Yes, a door frame metal detector used in the entrance. You can see in many companies, people want to understand in an IT company or any in a factory or a cable manufacturing or a metal manufacturing company, they do not want any of the employees to carry their mobile phones or any of the expensive items in the premises. So we use the single zone multi-zone door frame metal detectors. We'll show you some video about what is a single zone DFMD and a multi-zone DFMD. It's a coin. So this is a multi-zone. So whenever a person is carrying any metal items with him, which place is carrying this product will be identified with a particular zone, highlighting with an LED light and an alarm sound. And also it has a mechanism of carrying the in and out, net, alarm and pass count, how many people went in, how many people came out. The same DFMD can be integrated with a CCTV camera. So we will provide a CCTV camera in the entry and exit, that is called a 4K nano cameras, being imported from Finland. So it is an expensive product which will be used in the entry and exit. So it also captures the persons who is coming and who is going. So that also will be shown on that. You can see when you are carrying a metal in your center part of the body, it will give you zone indication in both the panels. So he is carrying a test piece where a small metal is being attached. Yes, exactly. This is called as a door frame metal detector. Single zone DFMD is also a similar product where you cannot find any zones where he is carrying the metal. It will just give an indication that there is a metal inside his body. But we have to find it out. That is why it is called a single zone. Multi-zone, it will give you the indication which part of the body has the metals. Yes, thank you. Next product. So you would have seen this product, handheld metal detector everywhere. It's a very simple product. Just using a hand mechanism, you can just handle with the any security. They can just use to scan the people with their the small mechanism called HHMD, handheld metal detector. Comes with the audio and visual alarms. Yes, the interesting product of Magtech is the X-ray baggage scanner, where we are pioneers in this. So this is a baggage scanner. So getting into the direct videos to give you more explanations and detailing about it. Any site installation videos will play. So it's a product we have installed in Coimbatore Brookfield malls. We have done more than 500 baggage scanner installations in Pan India. So one of the client is a prestigious client is Brookfield in Coimbatore. You can see the baggage scanner. Public. Hubli. So it's a luggage scanner which we have installed in the Hubli railway station. We'll play another video of Hubli. So that 100 on the testing video you can play. So this is the largest scanner called luggage scanner, where you can scan all the heavy luggages. You can see it is a combination of dual monitors. You will be getting color scanned images one side and also the black and white images in the other screen. You can see that voltage, yes, voltage. Now, these mechanisms and these products are becoming an important product in every company where you are being secured with the entrance automation like a CCTV. So these products are also becoming a vital role in every company. We go to the CCTV package. So the first time in India we have done an R&D, and in this we'll get a clear idea about how a baggage scanner will be integrated with the X-ray baggage scanner integrated with the CCTV. You can see an X-ray baggage scanner integrated with the dual monitor. One monitor for capturing all the scanned images, another monitor for all the camera things. So you can see the person keeps his bag. It's a tiny camera. It's a 4K nano camera integrated in the baggage scanner. See, the person who keeps the bag, his face is being recorded. What kind of bag he is keeping, it's being recorded. Who takes the bag is also being recorded. So you can see even in the airports, if the technology is not implemented, we are the first company who is implementing this technology to capture the images of the person and also the bags in the entry and exit. And next one. So this is an under vehicle surveillance system to scan the under vehicle chassis of a car. So I'll directly get into the video. The video will give you a clear picture of how this product actually works. We go to the video ending maybe. Not the animation. Go to the direct video. It's being installed in the Indian Navy. This is a high definition area scan camera, which will be placed in the underground. As you can see, when the vehicle crosses over the cameras, all the image is being captured. This is a integrated server with the computer we are providing. I'll show you now the scanned images of all the under vehicle chassis mirrors. I mean, under vehicle chassis of all the cars. So this is how an under vehicle scanned image of every chassis will look like. You can see different types of car vehicle being scanned and their chassis images being recorded in the data, and also it captures the number plate, and also it captures the face of every car driver. It's a very big product in every industry, has to be made when any kind of theft or any kind of threats can be easily avoided when a person is carrying any hazardous items under the chassis of every car. This is how final outlook it will be. Chassis, below 3 cameras will capture the face and the number plate. And right side corner will have all the customized options. And in the center part, you can see the vehicle number, in time, out time, and the check result. Is it safety or unsafe or hazardous or danger? So all these will be shown. Next one. Okay, that's it about the products. So we'll show you some animation images, how we have designed for every client with the swing barriers and other mechanism where we'll just take another 5 to 6 minutes about all the animations so that we'll get some ideas about how we have done the installations of all the products. Color combination of X-ray baggage scanners, can we? So you can see this X-ray baggage scanner is again customized with any kind of color combinations. Yes. Any kind of color combination can be customized based on the requirements. We give a clear idea about how the entire security has to be implemented with automations. It's a triplicate monitor X-ray baggage. You can see one is for the color, second is for the black and white, and third is for the operation of CCTV cameras. So this is the concept of a triplicate X-ray baggage scanner. So we are the first company in India who is launching the triplicate display. Yes. The animations of the client where we have fixed all the things in the animation group. I think that's the end of our presentation from our side. So now I'll hand it over to Mr. Parni sir for further question and answer sessions or any clarifications to Parni sir.
Yeah, thanks, Balaji. It was a fantastic show, and I hope a lot of people got an insight what this is all about. This entire session was all about, if you just want to recollect the title, we had named it as Secure the Premises. And we were assuring you of product awareness, which should have got by this time. The range of products, I think it was very beautifully detailing was done. And how do we manage the businesses and the insights on facing new challenges. I think they were very clear in giving you a clear picture. What are the new challenges faced and how could we, post-COVID, how could we handle them? And the detailings of the safety security measures also was done. So I hope the agenda has been done neatly. So we will be happy to take your questions, sir, and we have a very highly qualified technical team which would do enough justice to all your queries. So yeah, we can start. So and if you can come out of your mute, you can mute, and we will able to unmute you. Yes, anybody? We see a lot of people. So I think to start off, can we not give them a thumbs up? I'm not sure. Can we all react by showing a thumbs up and for this good show? Probably. Thank you, all of you. If you could give a thumbs up, that could encourage the speakers and the entire group who were behind this. Thank you. I think I see a lot of reactions going on. Good. That's very encouraging. Yes. So you have seen a lot of various products, like right from security to entrance automations. I think, and it was done, and you have seen how they were installed, which is very, very important. Sometimes what happens, the product presentations are done, but visualizing the product becomes a big challenge. I think Bala has done a great job of giving you, and team has done you where they have installed and how it is functioning. So this could give you an insight how they could be installed, right from swing barriers to bollards, especially bollards. Mostly you don't see bollards functioning. We have not heard of it. We only know there are bollards, but today, right from the factory where it was manufactured, he has given you a very clear picture how the bollards function. So, and then under vehicle surveillance mirror, then baggage scanners. I think you have a fair idea now where and what can be done. So we'll be happy to have your questions. So go ahead, sir. I request the admin to give the permission, unmute. Muthu, can you do give the so unmute everybody so that they can take the call? Yeah. I'm not able to unmute. 1 second, sir. 1 second. I think I've seen Maya Kannan sir raising his hand. Yeah, you can go ahead, sir. Maya Kannan sir, you can ask the questions.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Solunga, sir, please.
So இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து அதாவது இதுக்கு வாரண்டி எல்லாம் இருக்குங்களா சார் இந்த ப்ராடக்ட்டுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும்?
Yeah. Exactly. All warranties and guarantee, and we have all the service centers in South India. So அது கண்டிப்பா இருக்கு. Warranty இருக்கு. 1 year warranty with all the products.
Okay.
These are all warranted products, sir, and you must 100% have. You can be reassured, sir, that we are giving you all certified products to come to the warranty. Thank you, Bala, sir. Any other questions other than warranty, sir?
Sir, the services irukala eppadi sir idukku? Servicer indha marila.
Services பத்தி கேக்குறார் sir.
Sir, நீங்க எந்த location, sir?
Coimbatore, sir.
Coimbatore, we have a direct branch in Coimbatore. We are only billing through Usha Fire. So Coimbatore, we have our engineers, stock, everything. In Coimbatore, you can see Cookville Mall, we have completed. KPR Mill, we have done a job. And Ika Yoga, Emerald Jewelry, India Land, and many more places in Coimbatore. So you can get some references even from the clients. And we have done a very big business in Ratnam College. We have done many clients, more than 100 plus clients in Coimbatore. So
okay, sir.
Full-fledged branch irukku, sir. So neenga service பத்தி கவலையப்பட வேண்டாம், sir. Sure.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for this.
Thank you, sir.
In fact, anybody else और कोई पूछने चाहते हैं, sir? I think this is a pan-India customer webinar, so we are ready to take your questions in any of the language, Hindi, English, Hindi, Tamil.
कोई भी प्रश्न आप हिंदी में भी पूछ सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, हम आपके जवाब दे देंगे. कोई आपकी टेक्निकल तरफ से या कमर्शियल तरफ से आपको भी कोई डाउट है, आप मुझे पूछ सकते हैं.
So please go ahead. I see a lot of people from Maharashtra as well. So yeah, any question from them? So because unless until you don't raise your questions, you may not know what exactly is your challenges you are facing or any other particular challenge you are facing in your industry. You can always ask him. He's an expert, subject expert. I'm very sure we will be able to give you some sort of very convincing solution. So because industries to industry it changes, because we have people from a textile to we have to malls and other things. We have variety of people taking a part today. So your challenges will always be different. So please, you can detail your challenges so that we have a product for that. If we have a product for every of your challenge. That much assurance we can give you. And even if it is not there, Maptech and Usha has always taken pride in finding it one for you. So please do ask your questions. So appada neenga vandu kekka mudiyum. And please jo bhi sawal hai puchiye sir. We will definitely give you. We'll definitely see that your questions are answered. Yes. I have the mute unbutton is mute options, and you can unmute and always ask. Hope you got the sequence of the products. You saw that in entrance, there was boom barriers, then there was swing barriers, and there was turnstiles. You saw that in Kashmir, Reserve Bank of India, that had a particular, for example, most of the industries, you must be, if it's an IT-based industry, probably you will have swing barriers. But if you want more security in measures than turnstiles, you saw that. Then we saw bollards. Then we saw under vehicle surveillance mirrors. And the most important thing, if Bala sir was rightly saying, KPR mills in Coimbatore, a textile mill using baggage scanners for security reasons and for it can be improvised in many ways. In most of the Tirupur, sir, you can throw some light on that.
I'll tell you what exactly the subject of KPR mill. KPR Mill Limited is a clothing industry. They wanted to scan all the cloths which they manufacture. They are preferably manufacturing some baby and other sensitive clothes. So they don't want any of the metal items to go inside. They don't want even a broken needle to go inside. So what they have done is they are using our X-ray baggage scanner to scan all the clothes to ensure that there is no needle is available, because in a clothing industry, every industry will use the walk-through instead of the door frame metal detector. They have some mechanism called conveyor belt metal detector. So the conveyor belt metal detector, what it does, it just allows the parcel to pass through, and if there is a metal, it stops, and it will not allow the further conveyor belt to move. But the problem is that it's conventional. How many times you will see where the things is there? If there is a needle in the collar or any handcuff, it will be tough to identify it. So it will be a time consumption. So what we have done, we have increased the capacity of the X-ray generator, and we have added some more artificial intelligence software. So on the event of emergency or event of any needles or any small metal, even in a very minute in mm, if you find anything, it will ensure there is a needle or any broken metal pieces, and it stops the entire thing, and it will ensure that the operator being scans that parcel, and it stops the parcel, and we have to repack it, and we have to resend it. So it ensures that there is 100% fail-proof in that. That's it. So this is the concept of X-ray baggage scanner. They are using it. Even though X-ray baggage scanner used to scan all the parcels and other products for the security purpose, yes, we are using it as a quality control also. That is what we are doing it, because many employees, many management, they wanted to have a clear mechanism to scrutinize the employees' bags, also with who is keeping the bag. For example, in the morning hours, around 500 to 600 people are rushing through the factory. So everybody will keep the bag and they will leave. Sometimes they might take the other wrong person's bag and they might leave. They might have some any valuables. So to avoid that miscommunication or any confusions, we are creating this baggage scanner with the CCTV inbuilt. So that is also one highlight of this entire scenario. And we are doing customization every time. That's what I told you. In face, mask, temperature, attendance device, everybody is using infrared mechanism to check the temperature. Like the handheld, you would have seen that gun thermometer, which is used to scan the body temperature in the forehead or in the forearms. But The same technology when you're using in the attendance device, it is not that much successful. What happens? For example, this room is maintained with 19 to 20 degree temperature. So in that 90 to 20 degree temperature, if you're measuring somebody's body temperature, there will be a confusion and discrimination in the reading. So to avoid that, we are using a thermal imaging capture camera. First time in India, integrated with the same facial device to capture your face temperature through a thermal imaging camera. It will be shown like you have seen in all your mobiles, right? When you are changing the options like portrait and panorama, something like that, you have an option called negative imaging. That is called a thermal imaging. That is used for the photogenic things. But in real time, we are using thermal imaging camera to capture the body temperature to ensure that he is having a perfect thing so that he will be given access to move inside. So that is one technology we are using it.
That's interesting. So I hope you got the message. So the thermal imaging camera. So things have improved post-COVID. Thanks to this COVID, technology has improved by leaps and bounds. You saw that. So we don't need a separate temperature gun to do it. So you saw this thermal metal door frames, but this has come with more advancements. You saw one was single zone where it will only show you a sound, but it will only give you a sound, but exactly where the metal is placed in the body, you may not find it. That's where the multi-zone metal door flame detectors were there, where exactly the person where he is carrying the metal, you can analyze. That's what the video was very clear.
Also, again, to add more points to Barney sir, we are bringing entry and exit nano cameras. So even who is coming also will be recorded. So the Reserve Bank of India is using our technology. So entire RB, you can visit any RB office, you will see our door frame metal detectors integrated with CCTV display. So what happens, which employee goes in, which employee goes out also will be recorded. So generally, in conventional way, you just find he is having a metal. So the subject is over that particular time. But after that, if you want to have a record, yes, we have a mechanism with the LAN port. All these data can be stored. So images, the particular person where he had his metal, everything will be captured and it will be stored in the computer. So such a kind of technology we are implementing in all the door frame metal detectors.
It's really interesting because hope you understand this is where the technology is helping us. Things have really improved. So it's no more a normal door frame metal detector. It comes with so much features like thermal imaging camera, yes, video recording. So all this, all integrated in one single thing. So that was very interesting. We saw that. Then we saw under vehicle surveillance mirror. Most of you might have this under vehicle inspection mirrors, but I don't know whether that is how useful or how reliable they are. But this under vehicle surveillance mirror, I'm sure most of you have seen it. Wherever there is a security is the key. I think this could give you a clear idea what and how this entire the image behind this one. So it is very interesting, and it's not about the cost; it's about the value which you bring into your organization. Because in a security, poor guy when he goes under with under vehicle surveillance under vehicle inspection mirror, I'm not sure how much he will detect. Honestly, most of us, though we are in this industry, most of them ask, what exactly you find out? Even I don't know what he could check. Poor guy. Then they use a torch in the night to do it. I am very sure they will not find it very handy, especially in this year, in this era of challenges where security is the key. Where anything goes wrong, you are gone for a toss. This is where under vehicle surveillance mirror can come into picture. He has shown you that entire thing, image is captured. You can know exactly what and where it is, anything is placed or any foreign bodies have been transported. So these are all technologies I think you must at least have a rethink in your industry. So if any questions regarding this, please do ask. We have I think Bala will be very, very happy to take your question. So anybody? So we have a good number of participants. This is the first attempt we have made, and we have got absolutely excellent response. And most of them are also viewing this to the YouTube. So this is absolutely good. This is a very innovative way. We wanted to bring this to our customers because we want to use this online platform, and it is being done from our studio where we have done. So this is just an experiment. I'm very sure we will improve more and more in the coming days. But your suggestions and ideas are most welcome. This is where I think you can play a part. So kindly, if any other challenges than what we discussed, if you could give them, because these are all customers have asked for and we have come with sort of solutions. So only if you could, if you have any specific challenge, please let us know. That will help us come out with some solutions other than what we discussed. Yes, Mayakanan sir, clear? Huh? Okay, we have from
clear, sir.
Clear and la. Okay.
Yeah, clear. இதுக்கான ப்ராசஸ் நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்றேன்னா அது வந்து
பண்றேன். So commercials நம்ம அப்புறம் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாங்க. அது
ஓகே
no problem. So we see a lot of people from Maharashtra. So I'm happy that a lot of people have joined from Maharashtra and a lot of other places. जो भी सवाल है जरा पूछिए sir. We'll be happy to see that you are getting all the inputs what you should get. Yes. Anybody? Hello? Any other specific videos you have, sir, to show them, Bala, sir? Any other than that, so that we can, any other specific things you have other than that?
Yeah, I'll play you the X-ray bag is going to scan the images.
And you had a 3D animated video, sir, like in an industry when they enter right from the entrance to top last, the video animated which you had was only a part. So if you could play the complete video, that would again make them recall what all products can be recommended. So our solutions, sir. Thank you. You want to give them a running commentary, sir?
Yeah. See, this is a completely a product designed in the DRDO. So from entrance, we are recommending DFMD baggage scanner. Next, it goes to the swing barriers. Then it comes up with the boom barrier. Then the under vehicle surveillance system was installed in the entry side. Even the car vehicle entry is also being scanned. And they have given a bollard. Stop it. Stop. So you can see there is an UVSS yellow color that water frame is being installed, and it also has the cameras. Then you have that boom barrier, then you have the bollard. So this is how a sequence of security items has to be installed. So the under vehicle, when a car comes nearby, it will be stopped near the boom barrier. When the UVSS gives clear indication, yes, the vehicle is safe, automatically the boom barrier will open. So the manual intervention is completely removed. So it's a complete secure premises. We cannot rely on any human things. Human errors can come. Anybody can be misused by a human. So that can be avoided. So when the vehicle is scanned through UVSS, when the vehicle is safe, it gives a command to the boom barrier. Then the boom barrier opens. At the time of boom barrier opening, or an example, if a vehicle comes, it is being scanned by a UVSS camera. If it ensures that it's a vehicle comes with the hazardous goods, the boom barrier will not open. If that particular vehicle crashes the boom arm and it tries to enter, the bollards will rise up. So this is the concept of a security mechanism. So in case if the vehicle comes, it is safe. So the boom barrier opens and bollard will always be in the closed position. So it will not rise up. Bollards will rise up only on the event of emergency, and also it will ensure that if somebody misuses the security premises. So this is how the entry mechanism is created. Now the same we are implementing in the exit side also. You can see other video, other side of the premises. Exit side, similarly, vehicle is being scanned whether any hazardous items taken away from or taken from the DRDO office, and again the bollard is installed. This all mechanism is given instructions, and all mechanism is being given operation to a security room where you can see the 2 monitors, computers with the servers, and also with the operation box is kept inside. So this is how DRDO is being designed in Chennai, and we are designing the entire solutions for them. So it is for design for a government secure premises. So we can even design the similar way for the private organizations also. based upon their security threat. So I request everyone to share any of the hiccups or any issues you face in your company, in the employee side or in the scanning side or the surveillance side, security side, or any things you feel it, or any attendance things you feel it, yes, we have some such a devices, we are not able to get the data, we are not able to get the attendance, we are not able to calculate the salaries, or we are wanted to implement this attendance thermometer, the temperature settings with the attendance. Do we get any? So anything is that we can let us know. We'll just give you the solutions from our side, sir. So if any questions from anyone, we'll just rush up to that questions. We'll get some ideas.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for this was really very interesting. I think this gives you a beautiful summary of all the solutions in one single go. And you could see right from the entrance to the exit, how the products are being placed and how you could find a solution for each of your challenges. So it was nicely done. Thank you. So please, when you only ask your questions, we'll be able to really help you out, or we can find out some sort of solutions, because this is, the title is called Secure Your Premises. So we want to do justice for it, and we have done it. I think we have hopefully done justice to the title. Yeah. And mostly the under vehicle surveillance, there were a question. In fact, one of our customer in Mumbai had this, because when you have this huge rains and water logging happening in cities like Mumbai, where he was asking what happens if there is a water logging and under vehicle surveillance system will fail. And this is all IP. It has got an IP rating, and they are well protected. Even during watery days, rainy days, this will function this will not malfunction, and this will function absolutely good. Am I right, Bala sir?
Yes, exactly. It is all IP rated.
Correct. So please, I think Mumbai city might have different challenges. So Chennai might have. So if you have some particular in specific challenge, I do remember, that's why I shared. Because one of the customers he was totally convinced after sharing all the certifications on IP ratings, and then showing the installation photos, which gave him a fair idea that water logging, even in spite of that, and he also spoke to one of the people where there was installed, and they were also very happy. It was also a coastal region where it was installed, and gave them a clean chit. So if you only ask these questions, we'll be able to understand what type of challenges you're likely to face. Please go ahead, sir. I think either you, maybe they're all very clear on the subject. That's what I believe.
Any questions related to your quality and other stuffs? Can you use this product in your premises instead of security and scanning? Can you use this for any other things? If you have any queries also, you can share it to us. I'll just give a solution to you. Certain people might think that my product, these products are not related to quality. So can you use it? Yes, we are using it. You won't believe. Boom barriers are completely used in all automobile sectors. Inside the factory, they are using boom barriers. When the quality of cars is being tested from the QA to QC, everything, they have every department, they have the boom barriers. So every check, when they complete it, they have a mechanism integrated with the boom barrier, then it allows to open, then the vehicle moves. So these boom barriers are also not only used in the entrance, it is also used in the production areas. So baggage scanners are used in production areas. So many segments, even this X-ray baggage scanner, we are the only company, we are very proud to say that, because we are the only company that does all customization. We are getting so many inputs from different customers. Sir, can we use this? We have to ensure that we need not only to secure the premises, we need to do, for example, one customer was asking, he's exporting coconuts. So he wanted to know whether the coconut is being exported does not have any other foreign particles. It was a typical question, but the amount of turnover they make, they want these things. When you talk about a needle, so why we are worried about needle? Yes, they are making some 3,000, 4,000 crore turnover. Their entire consumption must be stopped if there is a small needle being exported from a package. So all these things has to be considered in a quality aspect. The UVSS, today we got one more query from Indian Navy. We have done it in Indian Navy, Chennai. They're asking us, for example, it's a UVSS. UVSS is used to scan all the under vehicles. So yes, fine, got it. Their query is very clear. My car is a Honda City. So if a Honda City Monday is being scanned, can the images be saved in the same algorithm on the artificial intelligence software, so that next week the same vehicle comes, the Monday the image has to be compared. So which means they do not have any foreign vehicles coming up and down. They always have their regular 50 plus employees and 50 plus cargoes and 50 plus some expats vehicles. So 150 plus or minus 5 vehicles, that's the visitors that will not be allowed inside also. So their question is, I want a pattern scanned image that should be like a benchmark or the primary image. So if this Honda City comes in the TN05XXXX number, the image is stored. So the same vehicle comes in next week, 7th day, 10th day, 15th day, 30th day, 45th day. It has to compare with the day one image and see it is safe. So can we do that? So might be the question was very tough for us, but when we are discussing with our team, yes, this is also a solution can be provided. Because every time the security need not go and scan the things. The artificial intelligence will take care of all the comparisons of the day one image and the day 50 or day 100, whatever it might be. So it is a good query requested by the Indian Navy team from Chennai. So we are implementing the solution and we told them another 2-3 months we will give you the firmware update and we can get the things done. So these kind of any questions you might have in your factory or in your offices, you might get into any solutions. It might be any questions you can put forth here. Without any hesitations, we are here to answer all your queries.
I think they are done with. Sorry?
No, I was just checking whether any mute problem was there. Everybody was able to unmute, I think so, sir.
Everybody, the thing I know that they have been given the permission to unmute, sir. Okay. So
I think we are in the right track. We have given enough information about the products and solutions, what we are dealing with. So any queries you can put forth to Usha Fair. As I rightly told that Usha Fair is our channel partner, 35 years old company, pioneers in sales and service centers. So we are selling the products through them and we have given our exclusivity to them. So any queries, any sales related queries, any issues, any things, any animations required, you can call us. We are first giving the preference to the designs and animations and the solution than the commercial offers. We are not excited for such a commercial things. We want to first understand what is the customer query. We want to address the query. Then we submit our offers. So we are clear in our solutions. When you are unable to do, we get the time from the client, but we try to provide all solutions based. We are not giving any box selling. So you always consider this company, Mactech and Usha Fair, as a solution-based company. Being a reputed organization, Usha Fair, we thank this opportunity. That's why we have joined hands with them. Wanted to have an exclusive sales and service support through them because they are good in all expansions in many territories, and they wanted to increase their product portfolios. So considering all these things, we have joined hands with them. So we would like to get all your feedbacks or any queries or any information or any suggestions or any things, we can let us know in emails or any things. We'll help you out. So if any questions is there, I think we'll continue for this. I'll hand over to Barney sir further.
Thanks, Bala sir. I think it was wonderful. I think we have the secure your premises. That was the title, and we have covered all the agenda. And thank you so much. If we don't have any questions, I think we can call it off for the day. I would like to thank the entire Mactech team, Bala, Ms. Leela, and for doing these wonderful arrangements. The videos were so good. The animation was so good. It was so precisely addressing our challenges. So thank you, team. And the entire team of Usha Fair who are behind the show. But most importantly, it's all the participants, the customers who really make this so meaningful. So I thank each one of you who are present, who have taken your valuable time to be a part of this history-making webinar. We have done a lot of webinars, but on this subject, this is the first one. So I know today, India and England, there's a first day and night match being played, the ping ball, and a lot of new things. Similarly, we also see this as a very historical moment for us between Usha Fair and Mactech. This is the first seminar. We promise you we will conduct more such programs, and we'll come out with even more better videos, even more better presentations, which definitely will be very exciting. This, I'm very sure this has done a good job. We will keep improving as the days progress. And our job is to give customers, as Bala really rightly pointed out, we're not behind the commercials. We want really the customers to be satisfied with the solutions and be convinced, and then go ahead with the commercial. Commercial is just an extension of it. So we are very keen in giving you a design, and you should be doubly convinced that this product will suit you. And we are not talking about the products, rather we are talking about the solutions. So the products anytime can be so. So if you're, so we are convinced that giving you solutions is our prime job, and we are always committed to it. So on behalf of Magtech and Usha, we want to reassure you that we are here to give you solutions, and do feel happy, do feel free to call us at any point of time for visits to your plant to make a study. Our team will be there at any point of time, and no charges will be charged. It is absolutely complimentary. So giving you solutions, making survey is all absolutely done at free of cost. So we'll be more than happy to give you, be a part of that solution finding process. Hope this program was absolutely wonderful. And once again, thank you, each one of you, for making this program a great success. Wish you all the best. And let's catch up sometime a little later on similar programs. Thank you all. Take it, be safe, stay safe, because still situation is outside this one. So stay safe, please, and remain safe. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you.